5 worst foods for arthritis joint pain. If you're living with arthritis or struggling with joint pain, you know how challenging it can be to find relief. Whether it's aching knees or stiff fingers, joint pain can impact your daily life in countless ways. While treatments like medication and physical therapy are effective, did you know that your diet also plays a crucial role in managing your symptoms? Yes, what you eat can either help reduce inflammation or make joint pain worse, which is why it's essential to be mindful of your food choices. In this video, we'll explore the 5 worst foods to avoid if you have arthritis or joint pain. These foods are known to promote inflammation in the body, potentially increasing pain and stiffness. Some of them may surprise you, as they are common in many people's diets. By understanding the connection between your diet and how your joints feel, you can make better choices to support your health. Whether you're dealing with osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, or any other form of joint pain, cutting back or eliminating these foods could make a significant difference. So stay tuned as we reveal these inflammatory culprits and offer tips for healthier alternatives that can help ease your discomfort. 1. Salt and preservatives. Consuming too much salt can cause the body to retain water, leading to swelling. This water retention increases pressure on the joints, making them more painful and stiff, particularly for those with arthritis. Additionally, a high salt intake can disrupt calcium balance by prompting the kidneys to excrete more calcium through urine. Over time, this loss of calcium may weaken bones, potentially worsening conditions like osteoarthritis by compromising the structural support of the joints. 2. Alcohol. Alcohol can weaken the immune system, which is particularly concerning for individuals with autoimmune forms of arthritis, like rheumatoid arthritis. A weakened immune system may lead to more frequent flare-ups and slower healing. Additionally, the liver, which is responsible for processing toxins including those that cause inflammation, becomes overburdened by excessive alcohol. This reduces its ability to effectively clear these inflammatory substances, potentially worsening joint pain over time. 3. Red meat. Red meat is high in purines, substances that are broken down into uric acid. Elevated levels of uric acid can lead to gout, a form of arthritis characterized by severe joint pain, especially in the toes, ankles, and knees. While the body needs some omega-6 fatty acids, an imbalance between omega-6 and omega-3 anti-inflammatory fatty acids can lead to inflammation. Red meat tends to have higher levels of omega-6, which can promote inflammatory responses in the body, worsening joint pain. 4. Gluten. Gluten is a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye, and for people who have gluten sensitivity or celiac disease, consuming gluten can trigger an immune response. This response leads to inflammation throughout the body, which can worsen joint pain and stiffness, particularly for those with arthritis. Gluten can also contribute to a condition known as leaky gut syndrome, where the intestinal lining becomes more permeable. This can allow toxins and undigested food particles, including gluten, to enter the bloodstream. For those with arthritis, this can mean more frequent flare-ups and increased joint pain. 5. Processed sugars. Processed sugars cause the body to release pro-inflammatory cytokines. These are proteins that promote inflammation, which is especially harmful for people with arthritis. It can lead to increased pain, stiffness, and swelling, making symptoms of arthritis worse. When sugar is consumed, it reacts with proteins or fats in the bloodstream to form harmful compounds known as advanced glycation end products. These compounds can damage tissues, including those in the joints, leading to increased inflammation. In summary, if you're managing arthritis or joint pain, Avoiding these 5 foods can significantly help alleviate your symptoms. Choosing healthier options can enhance your overall joint health and improve your quality of life. Remember, even small changes to your diet can result in substantial improvements in how you feel, so take control of your joint pain today.